welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at the training and awareness section. This is video 5 in the implementation of CyberSecure Canada, in Maple GRC. So I'm heading back to Maple GRC, and once I'm here, I'll go to the home page, and from there, just head over to training management. Once I go to training management, it'll take me to the training staff. So I see that, I have 0 trainings completed in Maple and also outside of Maple, because we have content that aligns with the requirements of CyberSecure Canada, but you might have already completed this training somewhere else. You can actually upload it. And depending on the title and the job function of the person, you'll see a different number of trainings. So actually, the CEO has more trainings than the ISMS. So I'm going to click on 13. These are the different trainings that the CEO has to complete, and one of them is Executive Director Cybersecurity Awareness. So this one is only for that job function. And other titles are required in the standard. So I'll start, let's say, with password management. So I'm going to click Notify. When I do that, that person specifically receives an email asking them to take that training. So when I go back to that user's email, we should see an email here, sign in, here, password, hello, demo staff, your next training is password management. And when I click on that, it'll ask me to sign in, and you'll see a video training. This video, at the end of it, has a quiz. And when they pass the quiz, there will be a quiz, there will be a certificate, and the training will be completed. Again, most of the videos are just a few minutes long. So that's one way to share the training with people. Another way is to send everyone a specific topic. So let's say I want to send everyone a phishing awareness training. I click Notify, select the people, and save. So there are 2 ways to manage that, and you have to be in control. The system won't do that on your behalf. These trainings are also under general training here. So these are the different topics, and that's where, training management is about how much that is your training. These videos are the required videos in the CyberSecure Canada standard under training. So you have everything here. There's also an option here, Notify Members, for the next training. When you click on that, it will just randomly check which video nobody has watched and send them a notification to attend it. Each video is just a few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes max, so they're all pretty short. So within an hour or 2, we'll have everything required done. And there are very specific requirements for training, like certain topics in CyberSecure Canada. It's not just general training, and if we go back to the standard here and just to Control plus F for training, you'll see, first of all, coordinated development of a training. So that module will cover that section, and then there are 2 specific topics, and they're listed here in 4.3.2.1a, B, C, D, and E. And here it says, for example, password policies, identifying malicious communications, phishing, keeping devices secure, and software updates. These are specific training topics. So when people complete this training, the certificate will automatically appear here in the evidence and will be ready to share with the auditor. It saves a lot of time. And there are also training plans. That's for future use, so you can also organize these trainings for later if you need to. But to be honest, the CyberSecure Canada topics are very short, and you can just go ahead and apply. So that brings us to training management. And, yeah, I think that's it for this part. I'll wrap up this video and then move on to website security. But I just want to mention something. The reason why these still say not started is because we haven't closed any items yet. So the system actually tries to understand as you use it. It will try to, figure things out. So for one of them, I can just mark it as implemented, but I also really need to upload some evidence. And the evidence will also automatically be explained to the auditor in the audit package. This is something you need to try out. Just a bit of advice here, please take a screenshot that isn't cropped. But as you can see here, once I've done one, it shows as in progress. And it's the same for this training as well. One person has to complete the training, and then it will be marked as in progress, and once everyone's finished, it will be marked as done. And then, next up is web security. That'll be the next video. Thank you.